Thank you for coming by. This is an American project. Please be sure to like and subscribe. We need subscribers. A little over 500 and I'll be to the 1,000 mark. I thank you very much. Jean Carroll, not so fast. Well, it looks like there's some procedures that have to be done yet before any money is given out or divvied up, however you want to look at it. Let's take a look at some background information here. Jean Carroll is a journalist who wrote an advice column for LA Magazine for over 2 decades. In 2019, she published a book in which she claimed Donald Trump, who was then president of the United States, had forced himself on her in a dressing room at Bergdorf Goodman department store in Manhattan in 94, 95, or 96. She's not sure. When she went public with the accusations in 2019, some 25 years later, President Trump vociferously denied her claims. In response to President Trump's vigorous denials of her claims, Carroll filed suit in New York State Court in 2019 seeking damages for defamation. The USA removed the case to federal court under a federal law commonly known as the Westfall Act, calling for the USA to be substituted as a defendant in the place of President Trump. Carroll could not sue over the assault claim in 2019 because any claims were lost due to the passage of time because of the statute of limitations. While the 2019 defamation suit was pending, the state of New York passed the Adult Survivors Act and revived Carroll's assault claims. This allowed Carroll to file suit against Trump over the alleged incident itself. She sued in federal court in New York on November 24, 2022. Included with the allegations were additional defamation claims, again pertaining to Trump's denials, this time in 2022. An unusual twist, the suit filed in 2022 involving the actual assault claim and some defamation claims went to trial before the suit filed in 2019. In May 2023, a jury in New York awarded Carroll $5 million in combined damages against Trump on the 2022 lawsuit. The jury found against Carroll on the other claim, but found in her favor on other claims. The previous claim I was talking about is forcing himself on her. That case is on appeal. In January 2024, the 2019 defamation claim went to trial. This time, the jury found Trump's forceful denials of Carroll's claims were defamatory and awarded $18.3 million in compensatory damages and $65 million in punitive damages. What the media is not telling you is Carroll will not collect $83.3 million because the compensatory damage award is grossly excessive. And the punitive damage award violates the due process clause of the 14th Amendment. Her damages will be reduced, even if the case is not reversed altogether. The excessive compensatory damages are the actual loss or damage of a party suffered. Recall, the award for what Carroll claims and the jury found were defamatory statements made by Trump in 2019 totaled $18.3 million in compensatory damages. This award was made on New York state law defamation claims. The United States Supreme Court ruled in a case called Gasparini versus Center for Humanities Incorporated. That state law governs the review of the amount of a jury verdict in a diversity case like this one. Under New York state law, a money judgment is excessive if it deviates materially from what would be reasonable compensation. This standard requires a court to review the evidence presented at trial in support of the award and compare the award to other similar New York cases. A review of New York case law on defamation reveals no comparable awards to this one. In fact, it is not even close. New York law simply does not support compensatory damages of more than $3 or $4 million. nowhere near the $18.3 million awarded to Carroll by the jury. There are no $18.3 million compensatory damage awards by New York state courts. Once the award is found to be excessive, it must be lowered to the maximum amount which can be recovered. This is known as the maximum recovery rule. At the very least, Carroll's compensatory damages should be reduced from $18.3 million to $3 or $4 million. There is also the issue of duplicative damage awards, since similar awards were made by both juries, including for repairing Carroll's reputation and defamation. And there you have it. Thanks for coming by. Please be sure to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and have a great day. God bless.